Can you
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, I said that if they don't ask you people to solve this thing in such a way that you are supposed to show your working, right? But you can solve it without even looking, you can get the answer without even touching a single calculation. I said this is what you will do. Can you see the last digit? The last digit in the first number is 5. The last digit in the second number is 7. Can you see that?
Oh, yes,
5
sir.
times 7 is what?
35.
Good. So that is what I meant. So if you look at it, the only one that has a last digit of 5 that looks like 35 is D. Did you notice it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that's what I was trying to say that time. I think that was just before the internet started misbehaving. Okay. So let's go to number 35, shall we?
Sir, I don't think Faith is here. I'm here.
Don't mind that.
30.
Faith, nobody's going to teach you this thing again. No, you better concentrate now.
Mm. 35. 35, sir. Very number 35. Ha!
What does number 35 say?
What did I do?
Very easy. Favor, you can do it now.
Yes, sir. The answer is 210. 210. 18 plus 12 is 30. 100 minus 30, that's 70. 70 times 3 is 204.
Faith.
So,
Faith, can you say that you are answering the wrong question because you are not paying attention?
We have finished number. Let's go to number 35.
Number 35, they said subtract. Oh yeah, go ahead. I'll do it again. Let's hear you. Say it again. Let me hear you.
Subtract the sum of 18. Subtract the sum of 18 and 12 from 100 and multiply the result by 3.
Okay, so what's the sum of 18 and 12?
30.
Okay.
100 minus 30, that is 70. 70 times 3. That's 210.
Okay, all right, no problem. All right, go ahead and write it down.
Favor is done.
Okay. All right, can we go to number 36 now?
36. The sum of two numbers is 20.
Mm-hmm.
The difference is 8. Find the two numbers. 14 and
all right. Now, please, let me say it again. Do not resort to guessing. What did I say? What did I say?
Don't resort to guessing.
Oh yeah, who can tell me how we'll solve this in algebra? Quickly.
20 minus 20. Continue. 20 minus, but we're going to use. We're going to
Did you hear my question? I said, how are you going to use algebra to solve this question? That's what I asked.
We're going to do 2x. I mean 20. 20 minus, and we're looking for these two figures, so we're going to write 2x. 20 minus 2x equals to 8. So we will do CLT. That will be 20 plus 8.
You're not answering my question. You are clearly not answering my question. They said the sum of two numbers is 20. And I asked, how would you use algebra to solve this question? And you're telling me you're going to do. Whenever we're doing algebra, don't you always start with telling me what the letters are? Algebra is about letters representing numbers, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Favor, do you have something else to say before I solve it?
Yes, sir.
So
we are going to replace for the number. One number we are going to use P, and the last number we are going to use for X.
X and what?
X and P.
X and P. So the first one says that X plus P is equal to what?
X plus P
Equals to what?
Equals 20.
Correct. Equals 20. And then X minus P equals what?
X minus P equals 8.
Equals 8. Correct. So now remember, this is under the assumption that what? What is the assumption here? The assumption is that, let me write it here. Please, when you're writing it, don't write it in your book now. The assumption, let me just write it, ASS. You know how to spell assumption, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, you know, I told you not to guess. Now, assuming something doesn't mean that you're guessing anything. It means that you are trying to just lay down a fact that is agreed on. Of course, you already know that when you say something minus another thing, that means obviously that the first one that you mentioned is bigger than the second one. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is the assumption. We're assuming that X is greater than P. So just write it by the side. Please, let me say it again. What I'm writing now is the way you would do it if you are asked to show the working. Now, even if you are not supposed to show the working, right? By the time you learn how to do it and master it, guess what will happen? You would naturally develop a faster way to solve it. Now, let me show you the way I would have solved this thing. In fact, there are two ways. Okay, there are two ways. So the first way is this way. Call this equation, call this the first equation 1. And then call this second one equation 2. Okay. Now look at what's going to happen. From equation 1, look at what will happen. Just put a color. What did you say? What did you say?
What is this? What
To just start from the beginning. So number 36. Please, I need you to just pay attention, okay? And please, you are about to learn something new. So this is the best. You need to really pay attention now. Okay, first time. I don't think I've taught you what I'm about to teach you now. So there's something called simultaneous equations. Okay.
Yes,
have you heard that term before? Have you heard that term before?
Yes.
Simultaneous equation. Have you? I can't hear anybody. Have you heard that term before?
No, sir. No.
Okay. All right. So please just pay attention. You will get it. It's a very simple concept. And I'm going to show you the two possible ways of solving simultaneous equations. Now, I'll even tell you why they are called simultaneous in the first place. So you know the meaning of the English word simultaneous simply means at the same time. At the same time. Equations that are true at the same time. So for not just at the same time, for the same set of values. So let me show you the equations. The first one says the sum of two numbers is 20. So the sum of two numbers. So I think it was a Favor that suggested the two numbers. And we said that x plus p is what? Is what? 20, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Then the difference is what?
The difference. Already know the answer. Mommy, it has logged us out.
You see what I totally dislike when I say something and you seem to be playing down on what I said. I told you that I want to show you how to solve this thing the right way, so that if you are in a scenario where you are supposed to show your workings, you can solve it. And you are saying you're telling me you already know the answer. Okay.